Let's consider how we can solve this question on the board with a very simple approach. Now the question says x delta y or operation y is equal to square root of x plus y minus xy over 4. And we are required to find 4 delta 3. This question on the board could only be solved by comparison through substitution. Now, since we were required to find 4 delta 3, we are going to compare 4 delta 3 with this. Over here, we have x delta y. Comparing this with this, here we have 4 delta 3. From this comparison, it shows that x is 4 and y is 3. So since the value of x and y has been known, we can simply substitute the values into this expression on the board. That means anywhere where x is written, we can put 4 in place of x. This becomes 4 here and 4 over here. Over to y, anywhere or any place where y is written in this expression, we are going to change the value of y to 3. Because by comparison, y is equal to 3. Okay, so let's rewrite what's on the board. X delta y is equal to square root of x plus y minus xy over 4. This is, by comparison, x is 4, so we have 4 plus, and y is 3. 3 minus, let me put this in bracket, minus x is 4, 4 times y is 3, all divided by 4. That is first stage. If you understand this stage, comment I understand stage 1. Square root of 3, 4 plus 3 gives 7, minus 4 times 3 is 12, 12 divided by 4. And we have square root of 7 minus, if you divide 12 by 4, we are going to obtain 3. So this gives square root of 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 gives 4. So we have square root of 4, and square root of 4 is equal to 2. So the solution to this problem, 4 delta 3 into this binary operation is equal to 2. The final result is 2.